Okay, guys, so very quickly, I'm just going to go through some of our classroom rules with our technology. Our first one, never give out your personal information. This could be a password, an address, a birthday, anything like that. We will not be giving those out. Second, do not search anything inappropriate. I'm sure you all know that by now. We will not be doing that in our classroom. Our next one is to keep your food and drink away from your device. This is pretty obvious. We don't want anything spilling or landing on your computer that could make it short circuit, that could just make the key sticky, whatever it may be. So, to avoid that, we are just going to keep all of our food and drink away from our devices. Number four, always save your work. You have to be able to come back to it and it be exactly as you had it. So, always save it. Next one is to treat your devices carefully. We're not going to be slamming. If you need to pick it up for any reason, use both of your hands and just generally treat it respectfully. And lastly, if you need help with anything, just ask. I am here for you and to help you. If you have a question about how to do something, where to find something, if you have an issue with your computer, please ask for help. Okay, those are our 6 rules. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to email me. Thanks, guys.